See this, in a 2's complement number, they are saying that a 2's complement number n is given like this: p3, p2, p1, p0. A 2's complement number n is given as p3, p2, p1, p0, and they are saying that it is transformed like this: p3, 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 p2, p1, p0, 1. Then which of the following operations is performed on the number? So they are just asking what is the operation performed. So they are clearly mentioned that it is transformed like this: p3, 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 p2, p2, p1, p0 and 1, which means the entire number is here, which is appended with 1 to the right of it, and to the left of it 2 more bits are added. Now it is given that it is 2's complement number. This is 2's complement. What does it mean? In 2's complement, the most significant bit, this one represents the sign bit. Either it can be 0 or it can be 1. In case if it is 0, this one will be 0 and these two will be zeros. They can be ignored. In case if it is 1, this one will be 1 and these two will be 1s. I told you that leading number of 1s can be deleted anytime, except leave one of them at the end, and then you can delete all of them. Therefore this is a kind of sign extension, right? So this is a sign bit which is extended to 2 more bits. Even if they say that it is p3, 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 so on, you can delete all of these, right? And the number, and this particular number, this entire number is same as this number: p3, p2, p1, p0 and 1, right? And now we had to see what happened. So this number is transformed to this number. So you can delete those leading bits, and this number is actually transformed to this number. What has happened? We know that if we have a string in binary, if you append a 0 here, it is nothing but taking the decimal value of this, multiplying it with 2, right, and then adding this number. If you append a 1 here, it is nothing but taking the decimal value of this, multiplying with 2 and adding that 1, right? And already it is given that the number is represented with n. Therefore appending 1 to the right of it is nothing but performing the operation 2n plus 1. Appending a number 0 is nothing but performing the operation 2n. So what I mean to say is, I think you know this already. We have discussed it several times. You can either watch TOC videos, or in this one also I think I discussed it. If you have a binary number and if I append any digit here like 0, whatever is the decimal number of it, multiply with 2 and add it. If I add 1, multiply with 2 and add it. Therefore what is the operation performed by this transformation? So the operation is 2n plus 1, multiplying with 2 and plus 1. So if this number represents n, this number represents 2n plus 1. Got it? So what I mean to say is, these two are not necessary. Even if they are there, you can remove them. Okay.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and IITs, universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%, but all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177 and IIT Roorkee's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkee, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkee is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkee. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply, and statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities, or 50 lakh universities. But whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.